welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you something real quick. I was in Utah for a retreat in October, and while I was there I went to the Country Craft Creations store, and I picked up this Simple Stories card kit, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. It's simple vintage love story, and it came with enough materials to make these 8 cards. So I made the cards, I added some of my own embellishments to it, and then I wanted to make a box to put those cards in. So it just so happens that I am getting old and I have to wear these, and so I have 2 of these boxes, and they're a good sturdy box, and so I thought I would use this to store the cards. So using this and the Simple Stories card kit, I want to show you what I came up with. So this is the card box. Now you can see a little bit of blue from the box on the corner, but this is for me, so it doesn't really bother me. If I were to like sell it, I would not sell it because you can see the blue, you know, on some of the corners. But I actually bought some of the paper that went with the collection also. So I just popped this up to make it a little bit higher. This was a cut apart, and I put some gold glitter paper behind it, and I do have some gold paper behind the regular pattern paper also, and just had some little bling pieces here and there. The 3D stickers, chipboard stickers. I have a butterfly here and here. Had this flower in my stash, and it needed something down here, so I had these letters, and I spelled the word fun and put them on the gold. But the sides then I just matted once in a gold color, and then I put the butterfly paper on. So when you open it, it's one of those flip open like so, and then I did cover most of the inside, not all of it, but I used the camera paper, and so the inside is covered except for here and here. Now again, because this is mine, I didn't mind this not being covered, but it was kind of hard to, I mean, I traced it and did the sides in gold, but yeah, that was not fun for me. So let me move the box to the side and I'll show you the cards. Like I said, I did pretty much follow what was on the directions. They always come with a set of directions plus the pictures. So I did this one pretty much as directed, but I did add a couple extra things. And then I had these flowers in my stash, and so I just added some 3-dimensional flowers. And then I just put this on the inside for you, when you write your sentiment. Okay, so there's one. So this one goes the other direction. I popped it up twice on foam squares. So I did the doily in the background on foam squares, and then this flower arrangement on foam squares. And then I just put the tag off to the side and put some twine in there. Added some of my embellishments down here on the corner. And then on the inside, I just put some gold paper with some of the hearts, okay? This on the picture was over here, but I put the butterfly over there instead. So this one's one of my favorites. So I have some eyelash trim underneath the typewriter. I had this real pretty applique glued on the butterflies. I do have a little flower down here. I don't know if you can see that, but I love the way it looks, so pretty. And then on the inside, I just put the sentiment always and forever. That was supposed to go on here somewhere, but I used this for decoration, and so there wasn't any room. So that's the third one. I don't know where to put them. So this one I did exactly like it said. The only thing I did was add pearls inside of the butterfly for the body. So I don't know if you can see those, but everything else was exactly the same. And then I just put gold paper on the inside. This one I added some vintage trim down here at the bottom and put some flower trim on there. This plastic stuff. The chipboard sticker here for the butterfly, and then on the inside just a little pattern here. So this one I did pretty much the same. I did add that trim down here also. There's the inside. I just think they're so pretty. The paper's gorgeous. On this one, I added some enamel dots, added a flower arrangement here. I did some layering of flowers, have some twine tied in a bow down there, added a little heart here. And then on the inside, I don't know. I got one more left. This one I had some of the art glitter glue, the sparkly stuff you put, I don't remember what it's called, but the sparkly stuff. And then I put some twine in the tag here, tucked a heart back there, sending my love, and then on the inside I just put a little flag there. So those are the cards. I think my favorite is probably this one, and then this one. So in the comments, tell me which one you like the best. The 3D flowers, the books, the layered flower, the traveler's notebook, the typewriter, the birds, the love, or the sending my love. I'm curious to know which one you like. So then again, I can just stack those up. Then there's nothing on the backs. And probably should put this 3-dimensional flower one on top. And then when you just take the box, open it up, and they fit really nice inside of there. So that was just a little project that I did this weekend just for myself. There's no tutorial. Like I said, it's just a card kit, and then I took a box that I already had and just decorated it. So this was at Country Craft Creations if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments for me, just leave them in the down below. Thanks.